Huh?
You ain't farting back there, nothing.
That been you.
Praise the
Okay.
goodness. You
How about
might
farting?
want to wind your window. You might want to wind your window down a little bit. Praise the goodness, boy.
That really farting. He heard about farting.
There ain't no tear of gas, that's a tear of ass.
Well, you got tail ass.
Praise goodness, man.
I let you know I got farting.
Woo!
Like something rub him and die.
Hey, look at it.
Hey, a brother was rub that motherfucker there, boy.
And Pluky, tell him don't start female on me yet now.
Damn.
God, dog.
Well, you better take some acting, man. That's what you better do. Take some motherfucking acting, man. Clean your shit.
Man, Bobby Grace again.
That's just enough fucked up.
Lord, he said
That's just fucked up.
you need some toilet paper, man.
Damn, Rick.
Toilet paper.
You a walking day, man. Ain't lying.
Tomorrow. That's the worst I've ever seen.
Phone again, man.
That's the worst I've ever
He smell that fun. He just make that fun. He know he smell that shit up there. He smell that shit up there.
What the hell you got what?
You smell that shit?
Well, I did. He ain't human, man.
Nigga do that shit all the time. He nasty.
He ain't human.
You smell these put a plug in your ass. You fun.
Chris,
Damn, you fun. Again,
he ain't human.
Come on, boy.
He ain't human.
You gotta take this mic off of you.
Now he called Roberts too with that.
You a walking dead, boy. I walk home. I gotta smell that shit there.
That's the stupid thing. I ain't see why, but you used to it. Then it full of ammonia. Damn, smell like possum dust.
Damn. I'm just telling about you goddamn nitrogen or something. Bring your system out. That ain't make no goddamn sense, Rick. You gonna make a motherfucker wreck. None of that shit there. Man, walking buzzard, I don't call it a walking buzzard.
Buzzard ain't the man.
Damn, Rick, you bad as stuff, man.
Crash, goodness.
Yeah.
Fuck
everybody up in here, man. When you stop, I'm getting the fuck out.
No, you gotta get out.
All of you out. Damn, Ricky, make no sense. You better go home and change drawers. I know you shit up. You got to be shit up. That shit up. And 16 was there. I thought my mom was going away. 16 was there. He shit up, Ricky.
Fall like glue, isn't it?
Hey, he shit up, boy.
It stick to it, man.
Motherfucker shit up. Damn, Ricky.
I think you walking dead. And Pluky, I knew your head hurt. And Pluky, I knew your head hurt.
More than that, than Pluky.
Your head is I knew your
blow out.
Your head and stomach hurt.
Hey, look, every time nitrogen in
Your head and stomach hurt.
What y'all ate?
take some gas and drink that motherfucker. That's what you do, I'm telling you about this shit here.
Man, tasty.
What else you tell her?
Tyrone Green.
No, your brother tell me. I'm saying.
John Green.
Tell her. Your brother's son.
There you fall again. Smell it.
Damn, man, come on, man. Every time you come, he'll holler my name.
Me, you ride together for years. Have you ever heard me squat like that?
You probably ain't know him, man. You probably ain't know him.
I got tears in my eyes, man.
You
Like,
got me choked, man.
I think worth it. You must have some black draws or something.
You better go home and take your drawers. I know that.
Cholesterol or something.
You better take your motherfucking drawers. You should up.
Clean the house.
Every time he fun. He smell it again. Every time he fun, he'll tell you that shit.
Clean the house. My nose hurts, man.
Man. You gotta do something different.
Hey, y'all. I want to get them
Hey,
things.
bro, can you keep that one down for a minute?
I'm getting things on you.
Hey, can you keep that one down for a minute? That's what's up, man.
Damn. Look.
He's smelling himself. He's trying to play like iPhone and
Hey,
shit
y'all know who it is. Y'all know. Y'all know.
He know you shit yourself up.
You back there.
You know he shouldn't
You
say
back
that.
there. I know you feel the steam of it.
Damn.
You know who would do something like that.
You
You know who ain't got no manners.
ain't got none on this man. You ain't
Man,
got no kind of respect on this one.
my stomach hurts,
Damn.
man. You need to go to church.
Damn, bro. Brother gonna pick you in your
You
ass,
need to go
man.
to church, man.
Brother had to get something to
My
you.
brothers ain't gonna eat that.
Hell no. I know damn well he
You
don't
need,
eat
to go,
that.
you need to go to church,
Shit,
man.
that motherfucker die. He eat that shit there.
You need to go to church, bro.
Damn. Let your husband did you know damn good,
You
bro.
need to go to church, bro.
Let your husband be that fucking no good.
Very expensive.
You know that, but you know
Man,
that.
you done took all that talk out that man body.
See, that man know you shit yourself. He ain't want to tell you. I'll tell your ass.
No, I had to go to work, man. I'll be home in about 30 minutes.
You be over here check.
You be home in about 10 minutes.
I'll be home in about 10. I'll be home in about 10 minutes. I went and did a little work, man.
Yeah.
Give me that money.
Scooby said he want how to do.
You will holler at me.
Man, what's all these things you want to talk to him?
I went to church.
No, man. I told you the other day, man. Don't do that. I'm coming with cash, bro.
Tell me you have it in 30 minutes. He going to buy the back.
I'll see you in 30 minutes.
Damn.
Again.
I just smell that motherfucking shit.
He did it again, man.
Ooh, Lord. I'll be glad you get spun out. I'll be glad you get spun out. You can find all you
Man,
want.
slow down, man.
You find all you want. Thank motherfucker.
Start rioting in the joint, bro.
I ain't lying.
Damn, you need to put a plug in your ass, bro.
That don't make no sense.
Oh, you right? That don't make
Everybody
no
knows who it is. You sit there and tell blame to everybody know it's you.
Everybody probably ain't thinking no. Damn.
Everybody know it's you.
Oh,
And then you cover your nose, you need to cover your ass.
His
You need
ass
to cover your
went up,
nose.
man. I bet you got to stay in his door. That kind of fun.
He tried to cover his ass. You need to cover your trying to cover his ass. You need to cover
Yeah, you need to stop that bullshit.
When you go get him, Rick?
Huh?
When you go get him?
As soon as he called me about 30 minutes, I'm gonna pay you in, I'm gonna get him.
When you put him at the same time? Where you gonna take me home with me?
You can go home, you ride, you hang.
I'm gonna ride with you.
Okay, all right.
No, we come and get you. Get your ass about here. I hope I can get Ricky ass about here. Thank motherfucker. Damn, man.
My stomach hurts, man.
You're right. It should be hurt. Take your ass shit out of you. It's the wrong damn thing, man. You need to stop, bro. I'm gonna get out with me. I can't stop him. Hell no. Motherfucker here shitting his drawers,
Ooh,
shitting
yeah.
himself up. Yeah, just up by 12 o'clock now, ain't it?
Cool. Well, you ought to know. Where you farting? What time you farting every day?
I'm trying that yet.
Oh,
I'm
shit.
much in that thing.
I said, why you riding the bike?
Damn.
I said, why you riding the bike?
I should have fought.
You did.
Damn. I said I should match up with you.
I said, why you riding the bike? Got me about the wreck, man.
I should match up with you. I was that good fun. Damn.
That don't make no sense.
I'm calling
That-
you.
That's great
I'm
poison
calling you.
there.
I'm calling you a walking bug.
You call me anything you want. That's great poison there, boo.
Yeah. You'll kill somebody, bro.
Shit, you about to do it now.
You right.
God,
You right. Well, you should have suicidal, bro. Yeah.
Bro, you should be good.
Okay, I'm trying to look for something.
Yeah, go across the screen and get off that goddamn phone. That might be being so damn trouble. You want to call.
Yes,
Like you important.
I am important.
You think you ain't important?
No, but not you farting like that. You important too.
Shit. You on my damn nose, I know that.
Yeah,
You can fart again now. You going to be doing that. Something's my life.
never in my life.
Motherfucker. Damn, boy. Something hurt. Oh, shit. You did it again. You need to go out the door, boy. You need to step out the truck, boy. You need to step out the truck, boy. Damn. I
Whatever he is. Well, up the head hurting.
You should. Oh, that shit run through you like that. It should hurt more than that.
It don't make no sense.
Yeah, make the motherfucker like a walking dead.
You don't feel ashamed, man?
You better go to the cemetery.
You don't feel ashamed?
I feel bad for you.
You don't feel ashamed?
Goddamn, they ain't sell that much damn car.
You might be getting out of business, bro. I ain't buying no cars now.
Yeah. I don't feel ashamed. You got to do what you always done to you.
You ain't
You
ashamed?
hold that motherfucker down. You cover your hair.
You ain't ashamed?
You think you ashamed. You said when you got a damn truck, you should like that.
You should be ashamed
You
of
do that
yourself.
shit right in front of people, man.
You should be
Nobody
ashamed.
want to smell your ass. I don't.
You should be ashamed, man. Now you see why I can't take him with me all the time? You know that, man. Let you in church on a Sunday. You do that in church. You do that in church. See there? You do it right in church.
Shit. You going to hell?
You make the preacher fall out.
Shit, you the preacher, I'm falling out.
You make the preacher fall
Yeah, you gonna take one on you. I'm taking out one on you, motherfucker. Stank ass.
out. You in his car. None of them don't want to ride in his car.
What do you have? Stop you. What do you have? Stop you.
Again.
Candy. What you call it? Candy. Yeah, big man.
Let me cut that mess out.
Over there, I'll be that first seat.
I'll do
Look
it.
at her, damn, go like a dog.
You don't cut that out.
You got the trouble.
You don't cut that out.
Go ahead. You got the trouble.
I'm going to cut that out.
You got no go down, do you? Oh.
Hey, Kim, what's up, man?
Rick, what's up, bro?
Ain't nothing much.
Hey, man, you wanna let y'all do something?
What you got?
Man, down, man. I got that bad service section.
Oh, what you got?
I got started in some simple fix ready to go.
Where you at? Yeah, I know that's that.
Yeah, right there with Dudley, number 7 Dudley.
Oh, okay.
I'm telling you this yesterday, man. I was gonna put him in, but shit, we had to get, he needed some wires, thing. I need to run one wire, but I might not have to run one wire. Keep trying to separate the kitchen. I think that was every damn thing. And that's the only one you got my wire on is to separate the kitchen.
Well, where is it? You see on Dunway, that's that little circle right there.
Yeah, number 7 Dunway.
Yeah, I know that's over by that park, yeah.
You might be know that boy. He right there on number 7. It just need some you probably fit that stuff in the kitchen. That'll do it, because he ain't getting 120 volts. He got a voltage drop coming out throughout the rest of the house.
Yeah.
Yeah, check it out. It only on one goddamn break. I mean, he never been. He
Yep.
got one break for one damn cell.
That'll make no sense.
That don't make no sense.
Yeah, but give me a call when you're...
No, but I ain't gonna start. No, I ain't calling back in. I ain't calling back in and telling him I'm coming. So you just let me know when you're going. I'll call it.
All right, I'll do that. I just left by your house on 4 Bridges right there.
You know, for real.
The little house right there before you get to the curb, with the yellow sign,
Don't tell me I'll leave.
the little right to your left down there. I just left them over there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, man, we need to get the study into, bro.
I'm ready, man.
I just started studying him, and
Yeah.
I'm paying for my damn plan.
Oh, that's all right. Yeah, but I got the book and if you need it back. I'm gonna take that test. I'm trying to take it Tuesday, Wednesday next week.
You need to go for what?
Yeah, but you can get it anytime you want it.
Okay. Then. All right, well, I'll call you back, bro. You call me back when you ready. So,
All right, give me a few minutes.
all right.
Motherfucker. You grab, I I'm grabbing the first up, see where he got the damn door like a dog. I can't take this shit.
Look at it. You got pretty quiet back there. I ain't saying that, man.
I see why your wife don't want to ride with you, bro.
See, when you talk, boy, like when you talk, you hit your mouth.
You
powerful, man. I tell you what.
If you close his hair,
you powerful. You are a powerful man. I tell you that. You powerful man, bro. You are a powerful man.
I'm sitting on the back of the damn thing before you see it. What's that?
When I'm gonna go to war, I'm gonna call your ass. Let you cuff your ass up in front. I ain't gotta worry about nobody bothering me.
I'm gonna go to the hospital and sign you up. I'm signing your ass in the hospital. Let me the motherfucker, man.
All you gotta do is when your children go to school, all you do is fart in the lunchbox. Ain't nobody gonna mess with them. I ain't lying.
You don't drink Thunderbird no more?
Do me?
Yeah.
When have you ever gone to drink?
Man, you drink Thunderbird, you got out of number 10.
I ain't no
Thunderbird lady, the Thunderbird.
I made y'all some drink, but not me. I made the y'all. When you ever know me to drink? When you ever know me to drink?
You better lie like a motherfucker.
Well, we might lie, but we don't shit like you do.
I mean, you shit yourself up.
We might lie, but we don't do all that. Hey, Jay, how you doing, man? All right. Uh-huh. Huh? You need what now? Oh, okay. Okay, when you want to go? They ain't gonna do it. You done start feeding on me already. Yeah. Put you in the back. Hey, Antonio,
Yeah.
you ever heard of FEMA, didn't you?
Yeah.
Think you FEMA? That was down like, I bet they run like you like
goddamn shit.
Bet they run like you like milk.
Ain't make no goddamn shit smell like me.
Bet they run like you like milk.
Damn.
Bet they run like you like milk, man. Milk.
You go to any of my people, I'm telling them you steal your ass out the door. Tell your people that, said, I don't want to really come use our bathroom, because you can't stay in there.
I'm gonna shoot right in your damn face.
I did. I'll be dead as a motherfucker. You do
You
that.
damn right.
Right, fuck. I'll be dead as hell.
You halfway.
Damn right. Keep on, I keep living, I'm gonna be living longer than your black ass.
Damn right. You halfway. Might as well go ahead and take yours out. I'll be here. I'll pick you up at 7:30 in the morning.
I'll pick your ass up out here and take them there.